going up about 80 kilometres an hour, this particular scooter, and that should be enough. Get around a bit more. And the process is finished. All you need to do is go to the service station and pump it up, or if you have an air compressor in at home, through your electricity point, you can do that. I do have a air compressor, but it is very noisy through the car, so I won't bore you with those details because it's just far too noisy and you won't be able to hear me. So I might just take us down to the service station when I'm down there next time and pump it up like that. And that's the whole process now. So I'll just go and finish up now. So if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'm slowly getting 50 subscribers now, so I'd like to make it 100 if that's possible. So click the notification bell. And thanks very much for listening and watching my video today. Bye for now.